SEO tips and tricks for 2021. Number 7, ensure that you do not use more than one H1 tag per page. Number 8, use image, alt, attributes, because Google is now moving towards visual search, and this is one important aspect that you cannot afford to ignore. Number 9, create separate sitemaps for sections such as images, videos, blogs, etc. This will help Google to focus its crawl operations on your website. Okay. Number 10, if your site has dynamic URLs, adjust the URL parameters in Google Search Control. Okay. Console. Okay. Number 11, remember to change all the internal links from HTTP to HTTPS before migrating your site, especially your images and all the resources on your website. You must be able to figure out if any of them is still not being served on HTTPS protocol. Okay. And then number 12, in order to improve your user experience and SEO, always add breadcrumbs to your site.